Enjoy the view of this 2020 Nissan Altima. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.